welcome back to Study Garden, where rice water gets more appreciation than most leftovers and plants get treated like royalty. But how can royalty be given recycled pots? Let's start with something simple, washing rice. Yes, something we all do without thinking. But today, we're saving the water. Don't throw it away. This cloudy liquid is plant nutrient in disguise. Next, pour rice water in a very gently, like you're making a fancy barista drink. And if there's rice dash of tiny grains, please drain it first. Sprayer had drama, especially the clogged nozzle kind. We spray at night because the time is, well, extremely hot. Hot enough to make your plants feel like they are in a toaster. Nighttime is calmer, cooler and way kind to your plants. It's basically the relaxing spa hour. And here's something a lot of people don't realize. Rice water naturally contains B vitamins, especially B1 or thiamine. And this little nutrient is amazing for reducing plant stress. Yes, plants get stressed too. Repotting, root disturbance, heat, they feel all of it. Vitamin B1 helps roots recover faster, keeps the plant steady after shock, and gives it the confidence to start growing again. It's basically emotional support, but for roots. So whenever you repot a plant, a gentle spray of rice water at night can help it adjust, relax, and say, okay, I think I'm gonna be fine. And here is a real victim. This poor orchid was watered during the hottest part of the day and got direct sunlight right after. Sudden downpour. See the burn patches? That's not heartbreak. The sunlight flows water droplets acting like magnifying glasses. Yes, rice water is good, but using it at noon? That's how you accidentally create a plant crime scene. So hey, if rice water can turn a stressed orchid into a blooming diva, imagine what you can do with just one click. If this video helped you save even one leaf, one root, or prevented one orchid from becoming a crispy sunburned tortilla, hit that like button, subscribe to Study Garden, because here we don't just grow plants, we grow happiness, word experiment, and occasionally accidentally roasted orchid for educational purpose only, of course. Join the family, stay curious, and remember, at Study Garden, every drop of rice water brings you one step closer into legendary plant parent stats. See you in the next video, and may your orchid stay closely hydrated and gloriously non-dramatic. Subscribe now, your plants will thank you.